Good morning, Randy here at Lano Equipment. We're going to go over the different Virnig attachments that we have available on hand here at Lano Equipment. As you can see, we've got several of the auger drive heads with the variation of many bits that we have available. We also have the trenching bucket here, and then as we work our way down, we have the skeleton rock buckets. The nice thing about the skeleton rock bucket is we got the variation where the opening here is at 3 inches and the opening over here is 6 inches, so the dirt is able to fall through. It comes in the different variations of widths. Also, we have just a simple skeleton bucket. The skeleton buckets, usually we're seeing that being used with the rock picking, where the dirt falls through and it gathers up the rocks. This is a great attachment. Also, as far as on the assortment of land planes, which the land planes we're seeing used as far as on finish grading around yards to get it prepped for laying sod. A lot of guys use them also for using on roads to take and flatten out and eliminate that washboard effect on the roads. It also has available is the hydraulic scarifying teeth, so if you need to take and have it with a little bit more aggressive digging effort to take and level out the ground. The next item we have over here is my favorite, is the 72-inch Virnig sweeper. It sweeps the material up and it puts it into the bucket itself. It's bi-directional, so you can sweep forward or back. Comes in the different variations of width of 72, also an 84-inch. As you can see, we have quite an inventory. Give us a call. We got it on stock. We have 3 locations here in Shakopee, Anoka, and Loretto. Call us.